Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you guys how to whiten the teeth and the eye like a pro in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So on this video I'm going to use the vibrance, then the tools I'm going to use in applying this effect is either I use the lasso tool or I use the brush tool. So I'll use the two tools for you guys to see how it works. So let's just get to it. So at first I'm just going to come to where I have my vibrance. Then once you click on vibrance, it will take you right here. So you now take this saturation to minus 50. So once you get to minus 50, you now come to this other box you see right here. So you click on it, it will show you the density, the fader. So you come right to where you have invert. So you now click on it. So after that, you just take this off. So make sure you click on this layer mask right here. So the first tool I'm going to use to show you guys how to apply the effect is the lasso tool. So once you get your lasso tools, I like keeping the fader at 2. So I'm just going to select the area I want the effect to be added. I'll just do that here as well. So I'll come to this side too. Make sure when you're selecting, make sure your selection is actually accurate. So I'll come to where I have the teeth, like the area of the teeth. I'll make the same selection as well. So I'll just come here. Make sure you apply the selection on all the parts that you have the teeth. So I just select this. So once I'm done with the selection, what I'm going to do here is make sure the foreground color is on black. Then once it's on black, you just locate where you have delete on your keyboard. Just hit on it, just press delete. You can now see, then I'll now deselect this selection right here. So you can now see the effect has been added right here. So you see the before and after. You see how it's looking. So these other small parts you have on the teeth, you come to this layer right here, or you click, or you create a layer, then you use the patch tool to take any black spot you see on it, or blemishes, or so anyhow you call it. So you just use the patch tool to take that out. So you can now see how it's looking. So you can still do the same process using your brush tool. So I'm just going to delete this mask right here. I just click delete, then I'll create a mask. Then I'll select the vibrance, then I'll just create a mask. Make sure you double click on the vibrance and hit on the mask here, then you click invert. So after inverting it, I'll just pick the brush tool as well. Then once I pick the brush tool, I'll just reduce it. Then just right click on your mouse and change the hardness to 40. So once you select 40, that's good. So make sure the opacity is at 100 and the flow at 100. Then the smoothing should be 5. So once that is being checked, come here, select the foreground color to white. Then you now unveil what's on the black layer right there. So you just paint it on the white area that you want to whiten. So I just do the same process here. Then here as well. So I'll come to this teeth area, I'll just paint on the teeth. So make sure it does not affect the gum. So I'll just paint this off. So I'll just paint off as well. Then you make sure the painting is accurate. So see the before and see the after. See the before and after. So whichever works perfectly for you is actually still the same thing. Either you choose using the lasso tool or you use the brush tool. So whichever works for you is actually okay. So this is actually how to whiten the teeth and the eye like a pro in Photoshop. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in the next video.